Thank you so much, ma'am, for clearing the doubts of the students. And I would also like to thank the students for asking your valuable questions to the ma'am. So, dear friends, now I would like to invite Mr. Longshan Kro, General Secretary of all Karbi Anglong Talents Hunt Society on the dais, to brief us about this organization, about its endeavors and its aim.
And advise us a good knowledge, and also my ACADS team, all Karbi Anglong Talents Hunt Society, my family, and all the parents present here, and also teachers from each and every school, and principals from each and every school. I want to wish a very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, in today's generation, where gender inequality still exists, like I have a question that there are male aspirants who want to become a nurse, but when they're studying it, they face social stigma, and then they have their reduced social status, due to which they become a victim of neuroticism, anxiety, etc. Like this is also vital in, like we can see this in very other fields, so like where we have like air hostess, which is traditionally female dominated. Like how does this gender inequality stereotypes, like how does it diminish the person's motivation? Like how grief effect does it have on a person's mentality?
Thank you for the question. Have a seat, sit down. Hello. I will welcome more questions now. Yeah, maybe we should take the questions first of all. You may not be getting a 100% response, okay? Because my answer also may not be 100%. But then I will try to help us understand the facts of gender inequality.
Good morning, Miss. My name is Shishika Agawala from Mount Calvary School. My question is, what skill I have to develop for becoming a doctor?
Okay, thank you. Thank you for the question. I got your question. Take your seat. Can we have at least 2 more? And then, yes. 4 questions. Will that be okay?
Good morning, ma'am. Actually, I want to become a flight attendant, but I'm not sure how to get that job.
Okay. Flight attendant.
Miss, what advice you will like to give the students that are still not sure about their career choice?
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, so my question is, if I want to become a doctor, is it like still possible to do like side job as my hobby, such as like crocheting and all, and like selling them?
Crochet?
Yes.
Oh, great. Okay, I think that should be sufficient with the questions. Okay, let me go to the answers. The question that you have actually put that is really, really pertinent, because this world that we are actually living in is, you see, we are talking about inequality, and inequality is almost everywhere. And when we talk about gender inequality, that is also seen almost everywhere. It is almost seen everywhere. But we have to keep in mind, and we have to remember that we were all created equally. No one was above, no one was below, we were all equal. In Karbi, we have a very common and relevant kind of phrase which says, Soarlunon supin sonon arnam antheang kroy. Soarlunon supin sonon arnam antheang kroy. That means we are all equally created by God. Okay? So the point is, we have to understand, each and every one of us, we have to understand. If somebody is facing a stigma, if somebody is traumatized because of this inequality, we cannot blame anyone. We have to blame it, we have to blame our society. We have to blame the homes that we are living in. You got it? We are responsible. And since we actually are facing it, since our people are actually facing it, and it is very sad to see that somebody wants to become a nurse, and because most of the nurses are female, and that is a common gender, yes or no? That is a common gender. Or we can say neuter gender. It can be a male or a female to work as a nurse. But then society has actually accepted that a nurse has to be a female. And now somebody wants to become, a male wants to become a nurse, and that is like, what do you want to become? It starts with a sentence itself, isn't it? And then that actually dehumanizes the person. So that is very saddening. The point is, we have to create awareness on this. We have to create awareness on this, because we are talking about equality, and it means that just as much as a female gets her rights, a male also has to get his rights. And if a male gets to do it, a female also should get to do it. So it goes either way, both ways. So it has to start from all of us here, and we have to share the message, right? If you're talking about flight attendant again, right? Majority of them are seen as female. Why not male? And nowadays we have seen, you see people, male attendants also, right? Male flight attendants are actually doing a very good job. How they're actually doing their work, how they're actually making the passengers happy, right? Those things are actually doing the rounds. So it is there, it is acceptable, and why are we stopping them from doing what is theirs? What is something that they really actually like? The thing is, we have to start from us. It has to start from this platform. People are doing it also. But then since he has already posed the question, why don't we start it from here and share it with the people around us, that this is something that we have to make it equal. We all have to do it, right? Until and unless we share the word, I think it is not going to work. Sharing the word, it will work. If we do not share the word, if we just keep it to ourselves, we will continue to face the problem, right? That is all I can say to this, because this is really a problem. And until and unless we share it, so maybe this platform is one, maybe the KSA can take up this issue, maybe you see women organization like Madam and all are here, they can take up this issue. It's not just about women, it's about men also. It's not just about men, it's about women also. Equality is what we are going to talk about, right? So it has to start with all of us sharing the word, creating awareness, spreading the word. And if in case we come across such situations, we have to stand for it, isn't it? We have to speak for it, we have to fight for it. If we do not speak for it, what's the point in even getting an education, right? So it starts with us actually, it starts with us. We are talking about plantation, but if we do not plant trees by ourselves, what's the point in even talking about plantation in schools or even in education institutions? So that's the point, it has to start with us. It has to start from all of us here. It has to start with you, right? Does it satisfy you? So coming to her question about medical, obviously, like first of all I said, if you really want to become, see when it comes to career, you want to become a dancer, fine, go ahead. You want to become a singer like Zubinda, please go ahead, right? You want to become a doctor, please go ahead. But the point is, it has to come from here. Like I said, nobody should actually force you to take up something, right? So if you have that calling in you, do you have that calling? Yes. So you have that calling, that's very good, great. I used to have a friend, a school friend. She was extremely good. She was extremely good in, you see, taking care of us. Like nobody told her. Like nobody told her. That was in school. Can you imagine? We were in class 6, 7, 8, and 9. And I used to have this kind of skin problem on my leg. And then this friend of mine, she will come up and then she will wash it for me. She will clean it for me and she will even put the ointment. And I was like, you don't have to do it, please let me do it. And she's like, no, I just love doing it. I just love doing it. And she's now a nurse. She's now a nurse. So you see, you have that calling in you, go ahead. But besides that, obviously you should have that skill, isn't it? So you are now in class 8 or 9 or 10. Obviously, what is the course or the subjects that you have to take up for medical? It is, what do you call it? What are the subjects that you have to take up? You have to take up biology, and then what else?
My question is that what skill I have to
Yes, that's what I'm coming to that. So what are the subjects that you actually have to take up?
biology, maths.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Sit down. So you see, skill, equip yourself with the knowledge that will be given from the books. Bookish knowledge is also important, right? You should be well versed with your biology. You should be well versed with your, your math, as you called it, as you said it. And then you equip them. You skill yourself with all the points that are there in that text, right? And then you go for, what is the examination that is given for medical? It is NEET, right? Then you go for that, right? Skills will be taught the moment you are in your medical college. The skills for a doctor will be taught the moment you are in a medical college. You are admitted and you are in the that particular medical college. It can be in Guwahati, it can be in Silchar, it can be in Dibrugarh, it can even be here. So the skills will be taught there, and skills can be varied. Skills can be varied, and I'm really thankful to you because you're talking about skills. So we talk about the medical skills that are required, right? How to give an injection, right? That will come in. How to actually treat a patient, how to actually talk with a patient. So along with those medical skills, you have to have your communication skill also, you have to have your soft skills also again, right? Those are really, really important. As a doctor, you have to be skilled. It was just yesterday again, we were talking about doctors only. And this particular person was telling us, I was talking to this doctor, and the moment I talked to this doctor, I thought 50% of my illnesses were already gone. So that is his way of dealing with the patient, right? 50% of the patient's illnesses, where you are good at. What are you good at? Hobbies is also one thing, or one aspect where we can look into to see what you are good at. Okay? If you think that you are good in English, make use of that subject. Right? You should have that command in English now, if you think that you are very good in English. Right? If you think that you like to teach, you like being in front of people like this, take up teaching. Right? Think about teaching. Maybe that will work for you. And if you think like, no, I'm introverted, I cannot actually stand in front of people, I'm very shy, I do not have the capacity to talk to people, then fine. You can take some other job, right? Maybe clerical job will be better, office sitting will be better, but there also, of course, communication skills are required. But other than that, first of all, study, learn your lessons, assess yourself. Self-assessment is very important. See where you are good at, what you are good at, and look at the career options that are placed in front of you. In Karbi Anglong, people from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Fine, you can still think about Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. ADRE examinations are also held every year, right? You can go for that. Staff Selection Commission also is there. You can go for banking. You can go for so many other jobs. We have our district administration's office also. There are so many other jobs that are placed in front of you. If you want to go for business also, you can go for business. If you think that you are good in baking, if you think that you are good in cooking, go ahead. But the point is, you look at where you are good at. Just see where you are good at. And I think that will actually lead you the way. It will lead you the way. But the point is, you need to ponder and self-assess yourself. You have to self-assess yourself. But do not compete with, you compete, but it is a healthy rivalry, it is healthy competition, and then, like I said, you up yourself every time. You better yourself every time. Okay? And what was the other point? What was the other question?
Side job that you have.
Go ahead with it. But then you also love crochet. She loves to crochet. And that's a beautiful piece of work. So if you love crochet, fine. Life is all about balancing, isn't it? That's quite an easy thing. You want to sing, you like singing, go ahead with it. But the point is, it should not hamper your medical profession, right? So you can do almost everything. So long as you are able to balance yourself, balance your life. Time, right? Time is the factor. If you think that from till this point, then from morning 9 till evening 5, I will be in my chamber, serving the patients, society, fine. After that, maybe 1 or 2 hours, I will be doing my crochet, fine. That is also quite okay. Somebody will be into singing also. Go ahead with it, right? Life is all about balancing, how you balance. And it's wonderful to have people like that. If you have come across the name of Eric Liddell was #1 in his studies. Eric Liddell was #1 in his studies, and he was a very good sports person in the form of a cricketer, a footballer, a sprinter, right? So you see, in one person, almost everything is there, right? So how did he do it? How come he was still #1? It's because he was able to balance his life. He was able to balance his life, his time. Time is the factor. If you're able to do it, if you're able to balance it, it will take you a long, long way. Okay? I hope that satisfies your the questions that you have posed. Is it okay? Thank you. Thank you.
A very warm welcome. Please. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time. A very warm welcome. Thank you. Please. We will also like to take the moment to felicitate our media partner. So may I please invite Mr. Vishnu Lekte and Rajiv Samropi on the stage for the felicitation. May I please invite the principal of Karbi Home Academy to please give away the award to Mr. Krishna Kantarongha. He has also bagged the second position, ladies and gentlemen.
Smile!
Heartiest congratulations to Sarmon Timon, his class 10 from Harmony Academy. May God bless you. And to do the honor, may I please request a Finance Secretary of ACADS to come forward and to give away the award.
Smile!
Of giving away the award to Mr. Alba Nadim.
Thank you.
Class 7 from Karbi Home Academy. Congratulations to all for receiving. Many congratulations. The remaining to be. This council to do the honor of giving away the award to Anne Makelin from Karbi Home Academy.
Wow.
Heartiest congratulations to Anne Makelin from Karbi Home Academy, Dipu. She will be receiving a certificate, envelope of cash, and also a
Lapudang lang, oy. Ah.
Pastel from Academy.
Smile. Hee. Smile. Smile.
Many congratulations. Thank you. You may please take. Okay, to give away the award, may I please request Karbi Anglong Youth Council Finance Secretary Mr. Edward Rongham to please come forward.
So we really look forward to your positive participation in the next few years that are ahead of you. We really want your cooperation and your participation. So you see, many of you got the first, second, and third prizes. Some of you got consolation. And for those of you who did not get anything, this should not dishearten you. This is just the first. And next year is still there. And then the next years. So do not lose heart. Just keep on giving your best. And like I shared with you during my session, I said it should be a healthy competition. And besides this healthy competition, we should always aim in, you see, trying to give the best version of ourselves. It should always be you trying to up yourself. So that is what it should be. If you are not good in math, concentrate in math. If you're not able to do well in English, concentrate in English. But the thing is that you have to always better yourself. Give a better version of yourself every year, every time that you come across in such examinations. Besides this, I really want all of you to clap for one another. All of you. Shall we give a good round of applause for everyone here? This is really wonderful. And I would like to thank all our dignitaries present here. We were really expecting people from our Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, but they have not been present here. But despite their absence, we have all come and filled up this podium. Is thanks to all of you. Thank you so much. Shall we give them a good round of applause? Thank you so much to every one of them. To the media persons, those who have covered this news, this occasion, thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. And yes, to Akat for taking this step, because it is not a joke to come up with a program like this, to hold a competition as such. And when we were having a discussion on this, I was like, okay, fine, you might be able to do the first year, you might be able to do the second year. Do you think you would be able to sustain this? And they are very confident about it. They are very, very confident about it. So from the bottom of my heart again, thank you to Akash. And I pray, I sincerely pray, it comes from the bottom of my heart that this doesn't continue only for 2-3 years, but it should continue. It should continue, because this is not for Akash, it is not just for us, it is for you, for our future. And the more you do better, the more it is good for the society. All the best to all of you in all that you are doing, and this is what I have to say. Thank you so much for this time. Thank you.
Thank you. So I wasn't expecting to be stood here to talk to you, and obviously we are nearing the end of the program. Just want to say how privileged I feel standing here in front of you, witnessing the first ever academic talent hunt and seeing the enthusiasm and the participation from each and every one of the students. I see hope for our future. I see great expectations from you, from all of us. And I hope that, obviously, that this will not be the end of our academic competitions in the near future. I wish for ACATS, Mr. Vicky Anglong and the team to continue with consistency and with progress every new academic year. I just want to say and remind you to not forget your foundation, the core subjects that you need to learn that are building blocks for success in your academic success and for your professional success. Every year, every season, new things, new information will come out. But I want to remind you that maths, science, English, Hindi, Karbi, Assamese, the languages, and also your social studies and your general knowledge, they are the foundation, they are the building blocks for you to learn more, progress more in your academics. So do not forget. So I want you to remember that your preliminary education from class 1 to class 10, very important to put those building blocks in order so that you have academic and professional success. I know there are many things right now to attract you, to distract you, easy way to making money. I don't want you to get sidetracked or distracted by all of these things, because these things are only for a short time. It will not last. What you learn right now will help you. Your core subjects that you learn right now will help you in attempting to learn bigger things for you to be successful and for you to achieve prosperity both in your academic and professional life. So this is what I want to encourage each and every one of you with. I thank ACATS for organizing this wonderful event. I thank each and every one of the school who are present here for coming, all the guardians.
Madam Maggie and all the dignitaries present here, respected my dear students, dear parents, media partners, and also I would like to thank the all Karbi Anglong Talent Hunt Society, or in short, ACATS team members, for organizing such a beautiful, such a wonderful program here. Actually, today is the first day for me that I am getting a little bit of nervous. नहीं तो can I speak in Hindi? Can I? Okay. तो आज मैंने कई भाषण दिए हैं. मैं आपके सामने मैं अपना थोड़ा सा लाइफ स्टोरी भी आप सबके सामने मैं शेयर करना चाहूँगा. छोटा से बड़ा, बड़ा से छोटा, गांव में भी हम कैंपिंग के लिए, कैनवास के लिए जाते हैं, लोगों से मिलते हैं, बात करते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा जो नर्वसनेस कभी नहीं आया मेरे में. बट लाइक सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू ऑल, मैं तो सोचता रह गया, अपना बचपन में मैं चला गया. मेरे को भी लगा कि मैं अभी हाई स्कूल में हूँ, थोड़ा धड़ा सा हूँ, सामने टीचर बैठे हुए हैं, वही फीलिंग आ रहा था. मेरे को एक्चुअली इधर नहीं, विकी सर मेरे को वो लास्ट बेंच में उधर में बैठाना चाहिए था. वो फीलिंग मेरे को आ रहा है अभी. तो मैं आप सबके सामने आप सबको एक अनुरोध करना चाहूंगा. सिंस यू ऑल आर स्टूडेंट, आपका जोश हमेशा बरकरार रहना चाहिए. हाउ इज योर जोश? जोश सबका ठीक है तो ना? ओके, गुड. सो आज आपका जो टैलेंट हंट का जो एग्जाम का जो अवार्ड गिविंग सेरेमनी है, ये ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट हो गया. जिनको अपना अवार्ड लेना है वो फिर आकाश का जो ऑफिस बेयरर्स है उनसे भेंट करके आप लोग ले सकेंगे. बट मैं अपना लाइफ स्टोरी इसलिए शेयर करना चाहूँगा आप सबसे. देखिए, सब तो यहाँ पे रिच स्टूडेंट्स नहीं है, धनी स्टूडेंट्स नहीं है. मैं भी, मेरा बचपन का याद आ गया, मैं भी यही एग्जाम, ऐसा एग्जाम काश कार्बी आंगलोंग में उस समय में, मेरा समय में कंडक्ट किया होता तो मैं भी ऐसा अवार्ड, आप लोग जैसे आज मैं लिया वैसा अवार्ड मेरे को भी मिलता रहा. मेरा क्लास 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 तक मैं और मेरा भैया, मेरा नाम मोलन टेरन है, हम लोग दीमापुर बॉर्डर का उधर का है, खटखटी का. जंगल सफारी ज्यादा हम लोग करते थे. जंगली आलू कहाँ में कौन सा आलू मिलता है, कौन सा पहाड़ में कितना बड़ा आलू मिलता है, हम लोग को जंगली आलू, यू नो अबाउट जंगली आलू? फिरुई है, फिरुई का चुटुक का बैकग्राउंड में से वांग सुनता. हालसो होमुसी इनिंगलों से वांगलेट मोपेंटा. अमर तो ना ने का फिर सो कि दू का तुंगे इसी का फिर या फीलिंग्स दो inferiority complex इसी दो हालसो फीलिंग्स ते भान हम लोग चौक नहीं. नॉनंता मने हालसो फीलिंग्स दंगे लूट बंगला सोलो नितुम दमे लाना किदू स्कूल है फीस पीमोवे सितन ने पोबांग इबाहालो स्कूल एस्टैब्लिश डेवलप हेम्पुलो कॉमन इंग्लिश स्कूल को मैट्रिकुलेशन 2091 पेन पीबम लो हाला डॉक्टर. तो मेरा पिताजी जो है स्कूल एक एस्टैब्लिश किया था खटखटी में, जहाँ पे हम लोग का तो कोई अच्छा फैमिली बैकग्राउंड नहीं था. सोशियो इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन हम लोग का फैमिली का बहुत माने अच्छा नहीं था, खराब था. तो फीस देने के लिए नहीं था. तो मेरा रोल नंबर हमेशा हम लोग का जो उस समय का जो फाइनल एग्जाम होता था वो दिसंबर को होता था. तो हमारा जो नया जो सेशन है वो जनवरी से शुरू हो जाता था, नया सेशन. उसमें फिर हम लोग का जो है पूरा भाई बहन हम लोग का जो एडमिशन है वो अप्रैल या तो मई में होता था. व्हाई? क्योंकि एडमिशन करने के लिए पैसा नहीं होता था. तो मैं रोता गया कि हमारा साथ क्यों. फिर उस समय मैं क्रश करता था, मेरा कोई नॉट गर्लफ्रेंड बट एक लड़की को क्रश करता था, मेरा क्लास में था. उसको मैं बहुत शर्म खाता था कि देखो मेरा रोल नंबर जो है 43, 44, उनका तो रोल नंबर 1, 2 में आता था, मेरा रोल नंबर 40, 50 मतलब लास्ट में रहता था. क्योंकि पैसा नहीं था पेरेंट्स का साथ में एडमिशन, पेरेंट्स का पास में एडमिशन के लिए लेट भी होता था, वो भी धार वार मांग के. लेकिन क्लास हाई स्कूल में हमारा क्लास 8 से क्या हुआ, एक रिवॉल्यूशन आना शुरू हुआ. क्लास 8 में ऐसा हमारा हेडमास्टर सुभाष देवनाथ उनका नाम था, हमारा स्कूल का हेडमास्टर. उन्होंने ऐसा रूल्स बनाया कि जो बंदा, जो स्टूडेंट्स सबसे अच्छा मार्क्स सिक्योर करेगा उसको मिलेगा रोल नंबर 1. समझ में आया बात? उसको मिलेगा रोल नंबर 1 और जो सेकंड रैंक में रहेगा रोल नंबर 2 रहेगा। तो मेरे को फुल कॉन्फिडेंस था कि क्लास 8 में जब मैं मिलूंगा, मतलब क्लास 8 से ये रूल्स था, तो क्लास 9 से आपको रोल नंबर 1, 2, 3 जो है आपको रैंक वाइज आपको रोल नंबर दिया जाएगा क्लास का जो एनरोलमेंट का सेटिंग है। तो क्लास 8 में वो अपॉर्चुनिटी मेरे को मिला, मेरा रोल नंबर 43 था क्लास 8 में। क्लास 9 जब गया मेरा रोल नंबर 1 हो गया। फिर When I was in class 9 मेरा रोल नंबर 1 हो गया। फिर जब 10 गया तब भी रोल नंबर 1 था। तो मेरा उस समय में एक ड्रीम था कि कार्बी आंगलोंग में एटलीस्ट ऑल आसाम में नहीं होने से भी एटलीस्ट मैट्रिक में होल कार्बी आंगलोंग में टॉप 10 तक तो कम से कम 10 नंबर तो मेरा भी आना चाहिए। वो मेरा एक जीत था। लेकिन मेरा लक में वो नहीं था होगा शायद। मैट्रिक में जब मैट्रिक दे रहा था तो स्मॉल पॉक्स मेरा पूरा बदन में, कल एग्जाम देने वाला हूँ, आज रात को स्मॉल पॉक्स मिल गया तो बदन जो है कांप रहा था। मलेरिया भी उसमें था। फिर मेरा कान से भी पूरा, दोनों कान से भी वो जो है मतलब हला इनो अलासो आ बीमार है, हला तो कान भी पक गया था तो उससे बहुत कुछ वो निकल रहा था। तो मैं पूरा बीमार से रोते 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 मैं इस बार तो एग्जाम कैसा दूं। फिर मैंने तो इतना अच्छा प्रिपरेशन करा। फिर बाद में मैंने सोचा कि चलो 3rd डिवीजन ही सही, लेकिन मैं एग्जाम तो पास आउट करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो मैं फिर स्टेगनेंट रह जाऊंगा, मेरा फिर 1 साल का वेस्टेज हो जाऊंगा। फिर मेरा जो क्रश है वो फिर कॉलेज चला जाएगा, फिर मैं क्लास 10 फेल हो जाएगा। तो वो था वो एक मोटिवेशन। मेरा जो क्रश, मेरा जो वो सब था ना, एक्चुअली आप सबका भी है, मेरे को मालूम है आप सबका भी है, बट वो रहना जरूरी है, वो भी रहना जरूरी है। तो अभी मैं देख रहा हूँ 2-3 घंटा से आप सबका फेस में जो है उदास मासूम, तो आप सबको एक थोड़ा सा झलक, थोड़ा सा स्माइल में ले आना चाहता था, जो कि मेरा रियल स्टोरी था, वो थोड़ा मैं शेयर किया। उसके बाद फिर मन में खराब लगा, तो मैंने जो मैं मैट्रिक में टॉप 10 का सोचा था वो तो नहीं हो पाया, तो अभी मैं रैंक का उसमें नहीं जाऊंगा। उसके बाद से फिर मेरा मनोबल जो है पढ़ाई में थोड़ा टूटना शुरू हुआ कि मेरा लक में वो नहीं था। तो मैं उसके बाद से फिर एवरेज स्टूडेंट बन गया। अच्छा, फिर बात है वो मेरा स्टोरी तो बाद में भी फिर मैं बता पाऊंगा, वो अलग प्लेटफॉर्म मिलेगा, वो उतना भी बड़ा बात नहीं है। लेकिन मैं अपना क्यों शेयर कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि आप सबका भी अपना स्टोरी है, आप सबका भी अलग अपना इंडिविजुअल आपका भी स्टोरी है। लेकिन आज समस्या क्या है ना, आज हम लोग को शिक्षा किस लिए चाहिए? Why we need education at this point of time? आज हमारा जो समाज है वो धर्म पे बांटा हुआ है। आज समाज जो है जाति में बांटा हुआ है। आज हमारा जो समाज जो है ना, दोस्त है, लेकिन ये बिहारी, वो नेपाली, वो नागा, वो आओ, वो कार्बी, वो बोडो। हमारा जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम है आज तक हम लोग को ग्लोबलाइज सिटीजन हम लोग को बना नहीं पाया है। कहीं ना कहीं विजडम का कमी रह गया। There is a saying in English, चाणक्य, आप सबको मालूम है, पंडित चाणक्य ना, उन्होंने बोला था कि a king is respected in his kingdom, but an educated person is respected all over the world. एक राजा को रेस्पेक्ट मिलता है उसका ही राज्य में, उसका ही टेरिटोरी का अंदर में। लेकिन आप जब एजुकेटेड पर्सन बन जाओगे तो आपका जो रेस्पेक्ट है, आपको यूएस में भी जाएगा, कैलिफोर्निया में जाएगा, वेनेजुएला में जाएगा, साउथ अमेरिका, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, कहीं भी जाएगा तो आपको वो रेस्पेक्ट आपको मिलेगा। और साथ में हमारा जो है, देखिए एजुकेशन सिस्टम, हम क्यों पढ़ाई में क्यों आगे जाना चाहिए? अभी देखिए हर एक जगह का, अभी कार्बी आंगलोंग का ही आप देखिए, फ्यूचर में आप सब वो सब फेस करने जाओगे, इसलिए मैं अभी से आप सबको प्रिपेयर करा रहा हूँ कि हमारा ही जगह में, हमारा ही जिला में बहुत सारा इनइक्वालिटीज है, बहुत सारा पार्शियलिटी है। तो उन सब को मद्देनजर रखते हुए आपका जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम है, कोई तो सोशल स्टडीज में आप लोग का इंटरेस्ट उसमें भी होगा, कोई इंजीनियर बनना चाह रहा है, कोई डॉक्टर। अच्छा, यहाँ तो शर्म खाने का कोई बात नहीं, आपका पेरेंट्स लोग है, आपका टीचर्स लोग है, आपका प्रिंसिपल्स लोग इधर में है, आप लोग जगह में ही बैठे ही सही, लेकिन आपको मैं मेरा तरफ से आपका एम इन लाइफ पूछना चाहूंगा। आपका एम इन लाइफ है ना? सबका है ना? तो जगह पे अपना बैठिए और वहां से ही मैं आप सबको अपना एम इन लाइफ पूछूंगा। और आपका एम इन लाइफ, किसी को अगर डॉक्टर बनना है तो डॉक्टर बोलिए, किसी को इंजीनियर बनना है तो इंजीनियर बोलिए। व्हाट इज योर एम इन लाइफ? हाँ, व्हाट इज योर एम इन लाइफ? ओके, लास्ट, फिर एक बार फिर मैं दोहराऊंगा, लास्ट पूछूंगा, व्हाट इज योर एम इन लाइफ? ओके, यही जोश चाहिए। आप अगर इस एज में आपका जोश इतना कम रहेगा, पता है कंपटीशन कितना बड़ा है, कितना तेज है इस दुनिया में। इसलिए तो हमारा कार्बी आंगलोंग को हर एक साल मैट्रिकुलेशन में हम लोग का बॉटम से देखना पड़ता है, हम लोग का रैंक कितना है। टॉप में हमेशा कामरूप, डिब्रूगढ़, शिवसागर लेके जाता है। हम लोग को अपना बॉटम से देखना पड़ता है। मतलब क्या है ना, हम में जो है ना, कार्बी आंगलोंग का मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द कार्बी स्टूडेंट्स अभी तक भी, अभी ये जो आपका जो जनरेशन है, इसमें भी हम लोग को क्या एक रिवोल्यूशन लेके आना है। आपका मन का जो शर्मिंदगी है ना, हर एक का मन में एक मतलब इंफीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स है, एक शर्म भाव आप में है, तो वो शर्म जो है ना, वो हटाना चाहिए मन से। जो सोसाइटी का जो बैकग्राउंड है, जिस भी सोसाइटी का बैकग्राउंड है, अगर शर्म नहीं करेगा ना, वो सोसाइटी एडवांस करने का एक दर्जा खोल दिया। फर्स्ट स्टेप इज आप शर्म मत करो, चाहे आप मिलो ना मिलो, रैंक में आओ ना आओ, लेकिन शर्म मत करो। अभी आप खासी जयंतिया जो मेघालय में आप जब जाओगे, आपका टीचर्स लोग कभी शिलोंग लेके जाएगा आप लोग को एक्सकर्शन के लिए, तब आप लोग नोटिस करिएगा वहां पे खासी लोग को हिंदी भी बोलना नहीं आता है, इंग्लिश भी बोलना नहीं आता है, ठाक ठुक बोलता है, टाक टुक बोलता है। फिर भी वो लोग जो भी बोलता है ना, अपना मन से बोलता है, ओपन बोलता है, शार्पली बोलता है। इंग्लिश मालूम मालूम, हिंदी मालूम, वही है। लेकिन उनका टैलेंट देखिए, उनका मतलब इनबॉर्न है वो लोग का। लेकिन हम लोग का कार्बी सोसाइटी में, हम लोग का ये जो दिमासा सोसाइटी बोले, कार्बी सोसाइटी बोले, हम लोग का यहाँ का कार्बी आंगलोंग का जो मूल निवासी है, हम लोगों में क्या है, ये समाज का प्रॉब्लम है, सिर्फ आपका नहीं। हम लोग में वो डर भाव, भय भाव वो बहुत ज्यादा है। वही इंफीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स जो मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के थोड़ा कांप रहा था, मैं आपको जो शेयर किया, वही फीलिंग्स अभी भी हम लोग का कार्बी, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द कार्बी का मन में अभी भी वो भी है, वो ही है। तो आप सबका एम होना चाहिए, एम्बिशियस होना चाहिए। आपका अगर अभी एम तय नहीं किया, इसका मतलब आप इतना आगे नहीं जा पाओगे। आपका एम रहना चाहिए। मैं जब एलपी स्कूल में था तो मेरा एम था कि मैं यूएस का प्रेसिडेंट बनूंगा। मैं जब एलपी स्कूल में था तो मेरा एम इन लाइफ था यूएस का प्रेसिडेंट बन जाऊंगा। जबकि मेरे को मालूम ही नहीं था कि विदाउट यूएस का सिटीजनशिप हम लोग को इतना जल्दी थोड़ी मिलेगा भाई। वहां में जाना है हमको। इंडिया में बैठे बैठे मेरे को यूएस का प्रेसिडेंट थोड़ी मिल जाएगा। फिर भी मैं वो सपना देखा। उसके बाद जब मैं हाई स्कूल में एंट्री करा, मेरा एम इन लाइफ था केंद्र मंत्री बनूंगा। अगर प्रधानमंत्री नहीं हुआ, प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं हुआ, तो केंद्र मंत्री में जरूर बनूंगा होल इंडिया। वो मेरा एम इन लाइफ था। तो उस चीज को, मेरा एम को मैं मद्देनजर रखते हुए मेरा लाइफ में जो है ना, बाकी जो काम काज है ना आपका, उसी अलाइनमेंट में जाना चाहिए। तो आप पहला चीज जो है, आप अपना एम इन लाइफ अभी डिटरमिन कर लीजिए, फाइनलाइज कर लीजिए आपका एम क्या है। सक्सेस हो ना हो, खुदा ना करे कल मर जाए एक्सीडेंट से, लेकिन वो बड़ा बात नहीं है। कम से कम आप हमेशा ट्राई करना चाहिए। और आपका टेस्टिमोनी तब तक जब भी आप सक्सेस करोगे। आप अगर हाई फाई बैकग्राउंड से है, आपको हर चीज मिल रहा है, जो भी मांगे पेरेंट्स आपको दे रहा है, अगर वैसा बैकग्राउंड से आप है और आप टॉप भी कर जाओगे ना, आपका टेस्टिमोनी उतना यूनिक नहीं रहेगा। आप अगर अपना लाइफ में आपका जो अभी जो दुख दर्द, वो सबसे आपको झेलना पड़ेगा। उस चीज को आप समझना पड़ेगा गौर से। आपका पिताजी ये लेवल में गया, आप बाप एक कदम आगे तो बेटा 10 कदम आगे जाना चाहिए, है कि नहीं? बाप एक कदम आगे तो बेटा 10 कदम आगे जाना चाहिए। लेकिन आजकल हमारा समाज में क्या हो रहा है, बाप एक कदम आगे, बेटा 100 कदम पीछे जा रहा है। हमारा समय में तो ऐसे सोशल मीडिया, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम ये सब नहीं था। अपना ब्रेन वॉश करने के लिए हम लोग को क्या है, काम कुछ नहीं है तो जंगल में जाता था, शिकार करता था, कुछ जंगली आलू खोदता था, है कि नहीं? लेकिन आपका टाइम में घर बैठे बैठे आपका मम्मी आपको चाय पानी कुछ भी हो आपको देते जा रहे और आप घर में बैठे बैठे पबजी खेल रहा है, ये खेल रहा है, वो खेल रहा है ना, क्या है? पबजी खेलते हो आप लोग? अगर पबजी खेल रहे हो भाई तो ये समय जो है आपका ब्रेन वॉश करने का समय नहीं है। आप ग्रेजुएट कर जाओ, उसके बाद में अपना ब्रेन वॉश जो है किसी धर्म से, हिंदू धर्म से, क्रिश्चियन धर्म से, बौद्ध धर्म से अपना ब्रेन वॉश करने के लिए बहुत सारा जगह है, इंस्टीट्यूट है जहां पे आप जाके अपना ब्रेन वॉश करा सकता है। लेकिन ये समय में, इस समय में दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है, रिलीजियस वार। इंडिया में क्या चल रहा है, रिलीजियस वार। हर जगह में लेकिन एजुकेशन सिस्टम है, डिग्री है, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट है, बहुत सारा है, कोई काम का नहीं है। काम तो है बट जितना हमारा समाज को चाहिए था उतना हम लोग सक्सेस नहीं कर पाए। तो आपका मन में आप भी ऐसे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग कैपेसिटी जो है आपका भी रहना चाहिए। आप भी सोचिए कि हमारा समाज को, मैं इंजीनियर बनके मैं मेरा समाज को क्या मैं कोऑपरेट करने सकूंगा, मेरा समाज को किस दिशा में मैं लेना चाहूंगा। क्योंकि आप जितना भी पढ़ो आप ये समाज को बाईपास करके आप चांद में नहीं जा पाओगे। आपको इंजीनियर भी अगर बनना है तो इसी समाज में रहना है, डॉक्टर भी आपको अगर बनना है।
And we also have Yoshika Agrawal from Mount Calvary. And we have Binsauli Pamai from Karya Hansipi Memorial School. Winsauli Pamai from Karya Hansipi Memorial School, ladies and gentlemen. And we also have Nandita Bepi from Atur Kimi Academy. Can we please have a round of applause to all our candidates who have bagged the consolation prize? The applause should be going, ladies and gentlemen. And we also have Sarklim Teron from St. Mary's High School. We have Mirtalin Intipi from St. Anthony's High School. Ladies and gentlemen, we also have Mirtina Tobupi from Calvary Home Academy. Moving on, may I please call upon Santora Hansipi from Calvary Home Academy. Okay, so now may I please invite Ma'am Maggie on stage to please give away the consolation award to our winners. I would like to request my colleague to please follow. Can we please have a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? We will be receiving the certificate after some time, but before that, we would like to felicitate and honor them. Thank you, ma'am. You may please be seated. Next, to give away the award, may I please invite KATSA Vice President Rohit Tiron on stage to give away the award, the awardee. Can you please have a round of applause, friends? Thank you, sir. You may please be seated.
Secretaries who are present here, students, and your parents, media person, and my dear friends. As we know, the program has been started since from the morning, and some of the students may get bored also. So I don't want to prolong my speech. But still then, this kind of program or this kinds of competition, it is a very good sign for our new generation. My profession is how to train the higher secondary and high school teacher, so to say, graduate teacher, GT or PGT teacher. Our duty was how to train them. So if we came across from those training institute, then the teacher may know very well how to teach the students effectively. So here in this organization, so to say, the forum, Mr. Vicky Anglong, he's a very good gentleman. He was my very good tuition student as well during higher secondary, where he was studying in the Government College. So dear student friends, some of the students has performed and compete. They have been performed very well, and still then some of the students did not get the award also. But don't lose your heart. As I already, Madam Maggie have already told you that the time for you will come again for you. So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to prolong my speech because I have to go somewhere also. I have been invited in another program also. So thank you so much, and thank you so much to the organizer, and all the best for the new program. Thank you.
Karbi Anglong live and non-nilitung ke do bangke dak di labang so auditorium hall along neng ki bipon all Karbi Anglong Talent Hunt labang so exam ki bipon along pini bangke award ceremony program lo kasi pini award ceremony program long penangan student atum mga chetong dondo mais tame non ki jud lo lapen program tame me pig lo lapen alang litum pen student man lam thisi arju pono na corporate dong ke Napa lang ba? Di school prize ya?
Dhanira Memorial.
Okay, award prize na? Did you get any award?
No.
No. Okay. Sonsi smart jo. Wang mom le. What is your name? You got an award?
No.
And then this was
Participant certificate.
oh, participant certificate. And how was the experience?
It's good.
Did you appear the examination that was held in last year?
No.
You did not appear. Okay, from which school you are?
Good Shepherd English High School.
Okay, wishing all the best. Oh, so student atom jo line tha. What is your name?
Karbi Chetri.
তুমি কিহত award পাইছা?
No, itu award নহয় মানে participation কাৰণে পাইছো award to next time try কৰিম পাবলৈ
তোমালোকৰ স্কুলৰ পৰা award পাইছা না?
কিছুমান পাইছে কেতমান মানুহ
তুমি নোপোৱাৰ কাৰণে তুমি মন মাৰি আছা নেকি?
নাই মাৰা next time try কৰিম হ'ব
wishing all the best. Okay. Come. What is your name?
My name is Raksana Rongha.
Did you get any award?
No, sir.
Did you appeared talent hunt examination last year, which was held in last year?
No.
No. From which school you are?
Currency Memorial Academy School.
Okay, wishing all the best. Thank you for talking to us. What is your name?
My name is Larjang TP.
From which school you come from?
Currency Memorial Academy.
Did you appeared the last talent hunt examination?
Yes, sir.
What did you got? Your name? Okay. Did you get any award?
No.
How was your experience today?
Good.
It was good.
Yes.
What did you learn?
I learned many of things. Like something.
Okay. So how many students have participated today?
Like.
Thank you. So marnung kilak ning tilo kichu kichun. Angang chi ring tilo di. Pilo nang men kepo?
Nimen long sarpoti sopo.
Pilo nang tu men na school pen no?
St. Mary's High School pen.
Award long malong le?
Long nunde.
Long nunde de. Polo?
Mane nili bang preparation kuri mika kede polo.
Oh, exam to gunde de. Okay. Ha?
To exam to gun lo. Anta preparation bang kuri mika kede lo.
Okay. Come. Mau? Did you get any award?
No.
Did you appear last time exam?
Yes.
How was it?
Good.
It was good.
Yeah.
Did you how much rank did you get?
I don't know.
You did not get one. Okay, try for the next time. Okay. কি নাম তোমাৰ?
Yashika Agarwala.
কোনটো স্কুলৰ পৰা আহিছা?
Mount Calvary English has.
তুমি কি পাইছা? চোৱা?
Consolation.
কনসোলেশন পাইছা ন? কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে?
ভাল লাগিছে।
আজি কি ইয়াত আহি কি শিকিব পাইছা?
Career guidance.
তুমি কি বুলি সুধিছা?
What I have to focus in skills for becoming doctor.
Okay, so did you get certified by the answer?
Yes.
আৰু কোন আহিছে তোমাৰ লগত?
Mummy and Papa.
Mummy, Papa আহিছে?
Parents.
ডাঙৰ হ'লে কি হ'বা?
Doctor.
Okay, wishing all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. কি নাম তোমাৰ?
My name is Janelia.
Okay, from which school you came from?
Adurgami Academy.
Did you appeared last time examination about the talent hunt?
Yeah, I did.
What did you get from there? Did you get any rank?
No, I didn't, sadly.
Okay. Will you try for the next time?
Yeah, I would.
What is your aim in life?
My aim in life is to be a surgeon. I would like to be.
Did you get the answer that Maggie ma'am has given a beautiful speech regarding on career counseling?
Yeah, I did.
What did you learn from there?
I learned that.
You should focus only on your.
Yeah.
Okay. So how many students came from your institutions?
Maybe around 30 or 40, I guess.
Are you feeling hungry?
Yeah, I am.
You miss your mom?
I do.
Okay.
I am missing her.
For the future.
Thank you.
Okay. Hello. What is your name?
My name is Anjana Rongpipi.
From which school you came from?
Karbi Memorial Academy.
Did you get any award today?
No, sir.
Okay. And how was the experience about today? Is it good?
Yes.
Are you feeling hungry?
Yes, sir.
I think you got an award.
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
Rangvili Ningtipi.
What kind of category, what kind of rank did you got?
It was consolation.
Consolation prize. How much did you get?
1,000.
1,000? Wow. What do you do with this money?
I don't know.
And what is your aim in life?
To become a civil surgeon.
Oh, really?
Yes.
And what did you learn from today's meeting?
Many things, sir.
Did you make a friends with other students?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you feeling hungry?
No.
Okay. Wishing you all the best for the future. Thanks for talking to me. What is your name?
My name is Nongekri Botiso.
Okay. Did you appear the last year, which was talent hunt examination? Did you appear for that?
Yes, sir.
And from that examination, what did you get the result?
The experience was very good because I have never given a competitive exam before, and this proved to be a very good experience because I have come to know on how the competitive exam are going to be held. So basically, it was a preparation for the future.
Okay. So what did you get for the result from there?
I have won. I have bagged the first position from the class 10 level. But apart from the awards, money, and certificate, the best thing that I got from it was experience.
Oh. So what is that?
Oh, it's my prize.
This is the mementos, and this is the certificate. So, what did you ask questions to Maggie ma'am?
To Maggie ma'am, I asked about the gender inequality which has plagued our society since the ancient era.
Okay.
And I believe that this is something that our society needs to work on, and this is something that has to be removed from our society. Because I believe that men, women, boys, girls, everyone are equal. Because everyone has potential. And this year also we can see that the women's cricket team have won the World Cup. So basically, that was the foundation of my question.
Okay. So what did you mainly? What did you ask?
About
we were asking about you want to be a nurse, but commonly nurses jobs are especially given to the girls.
Yes.
Girls section, and when you want to become a air hostess, then except the girls fly high into the sky. Why do boys always get rejected or something like that? So what is this all about?
Sir, because in our society, as I've spoken before, there is a thing called stereotype. Like for doctors, everyone, when we say about a doctor, our first thing that comes to our mind is a male doctor. Female doctor doesn't come. And when we say nurse, the picture always comes about a woman. Now this is something which I feel quite odd. If women can become, even males can become. If male can become, even a women, why not they? There should be equality for all. So I believe in that, and I had some doubts, so I asked Maggie ma'am about it, and then she replied to it.
Did you get the sufficient answer from her?
Yes, sir.
It boosts your mentality and.
Oh yes, because from this I have gained confidence that yes, even everyone is equal, and that was what I wanted to know.
In future, what would you like to become?
Right now, I am going to study for NEET. I'm going to appear for NEET to become a doctor. But I have significant interest in politics also. So because one of my major subjects is social science and science. So since I have both interests, but I'll be leaving politics aside for now, and I'll be focusing on my journey with science.
So how many students came from your institution today?
There must be at least 20-25 students.
Your parents came today?
No, sir. I came along with my hostel wardens.
Okay. Did you inform your parents that you will be getting award in this function?
I guess they don't have any idea yet.
If you reach your hostel, if you call your home, to whom would you like to give the first information?
I would like to give my first information to my cousin brother.
Okay. What would you like to say to your mom?
That I'll first call and I'll say, hello mom, I won an award.
Okay. Anyway, thanks for talking to us and wishing you all the best for the future.
Yes,
okay. Come. What is your name?
Elin Timangpi.
Did you appear the last time examination? No.
Yes.
Yeah. What did you get from there?
I got I got to know how to write all these types of exams, sir.
So how was the experience?
It was good, sir.
So how many students came here for today's program?
From all of the school or just my school, sir?
Okay, your parents came? No.
No.
What did you got? What is this in your hand?
I got consolation prize, sir.
Better try next time. And what is your aim in life?
I want to become a medical professor.
Medical professor?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you need to be strong, you need to be confident. So wishing you all the best for the future. Okay, come. What is your name?
Ermawati Difusa.
Did you get any award today?
Yeah, I got second rank.
Oh, in what category?
Class 7.
Class 7.
Yeah.
Okay, your school?
Aturkim Academy.
Your parents came?
Actually, I'm going with my friend's parent.
You came along with the hostelers?
No, I didn't came with a hostler. I came with my friend. Yes.
Before entering the examination center, did you thought in your mind that you will come out, first or second, something like that?
I actually expected, but like my expectation was not that high.
Okay.
But yeah, I got.
Did you appear such kind of competitive exam before?
Yeah, I did 2 times.
Oh, it is the second time. So how was the experience about last time?
Last time I didn't got, but this time I got. So I'm really proud of myself, and I'll try my I'll try my best next time more.
Okay, what is your aim in life?
Agriculture officer.
Okay, so where are you a hosteler or?
No, I'm day scholar.
Okay, thank you so much for talking to us and wishing you all the best for the future.
Aprangsi nearly all Karbi Anglong Talents Hunt Society amai phu henpen kachuroji pinia program aputhak nearly kaning hejigang tung hello nitom all Karbi Anglong competitive talent search exam nitom kidam tanganing kan si conduct lo November achiklo si conduct lo 13 November lapen data pinitum non pini bangke result kapaklang arnilo mate award ki pirnilo pini ke result pi lapen ke award pi lapen puthot career counseling program sinitum dak langkung habe town hall memorial long thikpon lo lasi labang so akam non chunpon elo ni arong pegan lo lasi labang so kam along nili niwedle labang so kam pachun kali nili methang a team mante akats team all Karbi Anglong Talents Society ni tema teams kadu gawe secretary pen ke danglok finance secretary lapen ke treasurer di ang ton a team hanas tamen yamen puet elo las ang ton tamen churor pik long chipa don pik lo lapen puthot ni le kachuro kwang tung ke la puson hello Aprangsi kachuro kwang tung ke litom kaching hon sir Dr. Tuliram Ronghang alang lista me labang so pini program pan na sponsor don lo alang le first prize pan sta me sponsor don lo lapen ke alang le first prize de lapen dak auditorium kadowi an sta me alang le sine sponsor don lo lapen ke puthot choropon kangtung ileto maching hon Sir Richard Tokbi Education EM alang le pini wangjilam dolo sitame alang le akaprik archijik asai do kok pase nili bertalong lo chitong don ndelo kechitong alang le gewaihan kening hang ulo sitame apor gaduri alang le nang chitong don ide lo sitame alang phan me chropar piglo alang le sitame lo bang so a program long aphan sponsorship second rank to sponsorship na pidon phan alang phan ningching doglo lapen ke puthot ningching dong tong sir Johnny Timung MSc difu Lumajang constituency alang lista me na sponsor don lo third third rank tom phan lapen ke sona thakse kaprek well wisher do ulang sponsor don latom kado vetane amen en la monetet pojon di lasika do well wisher tom phan anstame nili akhichuru paper pick dolang to bang so akam ala so talent hunt society nitom competitive talent search exam aphan na chirab do na pot alang le to men pedi chun ti ji stame alang le to chirab do na jini si chun pon lo la pen ge puthot churopon kangtung pini resource person Madam Megi athaman same Madam Megi ang lepan same kiro paper pick dot tong sikot pen alang same methang sai chi open si pini career counseling program alang li enpon pamelo kadok we students tamne aning rong pick dot nitum technology puthot churopon kangtung nitum resource person share mir long rong par account audit officer alang li APSC pen si qualified banglo alang li pan same churopar pick lo nitum tong sikot pen alang li pan nitum alang li pan parju pen alang li pini labang so career counseling along osomar dum pan nang thanai mong dun pon pot lapen ke puthot kaduk abe pini na chitong don organization atom do an san same churopar piglo methang sai chi open si dang chitong don apot lapen puthajo la nili long non karjab don alang li nili jerputa barim lo alang li social worker alang li men leke molen tiron alang li sitame well wisher lo labang so program long financial rabdun lo alang li fan same ningching diglo lapen alang li pini kan injes pis osmartom pan an same aning porong pro mi piglo